Welcome to a beginner's tutorial to using Atom8, an automation app for BigCommerce. Atom8 is the BigCommerce software that can help you automate your sales, marketing, and inventory activities, so store owners like yourself can focus more on growth. My name is Hannah, and I will be guiding you to creating your first BigCommerce automation using Atom8 today. What I want to do today is help you create a workflow that helps your sales team with a weekend sales campaign. The easiest way to create a workflow is to head over to the workflow page and click on Create. Here you can see a bunch of pre-built workflow templates that basically anyone regardless of technical knowledge can use. These are categorized into different sections and you can just browse through these. But for this example, we want to create a blank workflow, so click on Blank Workflow. The first step to creating this workflow or any workflow is to define your trigger. Triggers are categorized into time, HTTP, products, customers, orders, and back orders. In this case, it's a weekend sales campaign, so we want to choose a time-based trigger. We want the sales campaign to happen every week, so a weekly time trigger. It's going to trigger every Friday at exactly 12 a.m. So after you have defined your trigger, the next thing you want to do is to have a scope. A scope will help you narrow down your data. Think of it as the criteria that the workflow has to adhere to. So in this case, we want to have every product that has a name with the word clothing included. All of these products will filter through this scope and activate the next step in this workflow, so our action. Actions are very self-explanatory, and Atom8 has a lot of actions you can choose from. We will make it easy and just choose a pricing change action with this example. We want to apply a percentage discount. Let's do a 20% discount every weekend for every product that has the word clothing in the name. And the next thing we want to do is to have a delay of 3 days. So starting Friday and ending on Monday. And on Monday, we want to have another action performed. This will remove the sales price for the products. Choose remove sales price. And then we have it, your first automation using Atom8 to help your BigCommerce sales team save a lot of time every weekend. So after you're finished with everything, click Next. Here you can have a name for your workflow. Let's do weekend sales campaign. You can have a description. You can choose a date to activate the workflow on and deactivate the workflow on. In this case, we just want to save it. To double check to see if the workflow you have just created is working as intended, head over to the execution history page. Here you can see a complete log of Atom8's workflow history, and you can check to see if the workflow is a success, which this one is. There's also a search bar function and a filter function where you can filter by workflows, status, and a specific date range. Now that you know how to automate your BigCommerce activities, it's a good time to head over to the integration page. Here you can see that Atom8 is not restricted to BigCommerce activities. There are a lot of third-party integrations with popular apps like Google Sheets, Klaviyo, MailChimp that you can take advantage of. Our latest feature, the HTTP support, allows stores to use Atom8 as the one-stop integrated application for virtually any software. So think of your CRM, your ERP, your IMS. And if you can't find an integration that fits into your business operation, send us an email to support@gridglobal.io and our customer success expert will help you set it up. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you need additional information, there's a free user guide handbook on our website, or you can shoot us an email with your inquiries to support@gridglobal.io at any time. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on your BigCommerce automation journey.